Hi, this is Jennifer and Hannah's lesson 1 on Xmania counting. So if you're familiar with the old system, we are still using A, B, C, D, and O. And after D, we move to the next decimal place. So we're basically, the first decimal place, we're counting the number of A's needed. The second decimal place, we're counting the number of E's needed, Y's, and so on. So let's go ahead and practice what an J would look like in the new system. So I'd have A, B, E's. So in the E spot, I would need B, E's. Now we have to think about what we want to put in the A spot because it still needs a placeholder. So a placeholder is O because I have O A's or no A's. How Q would look, so I have A, B, C, E's, and A, B, A's. So in the E spot, I would put C, and the A spot, I would put B. Z requires A, Y's, so I'd put in A, A's. So in the Y spot, I'd put A, because I have A, Y's. And then I need a placeholder of O, because I have no E's. And then I need a placeholder, or not a placeholder, I need A's. So I'd put an A in the A spot. This last side helps us compare the old system to the new system. And if we look at the beginning, we can see that O through D are the same. I'm just rewriting everything after D. Thank you for listening.